Like,
did I ask?
I
know this a year ago.
Follow Lev on Instagram. Oh, this is from ABC, United States. At some point, he moved to after attending preparatory school. He passed the chess bee. Blah blah blah. Cameron was conceived. What the hell?
Birthdays. What was the best piece of advice?
Leb.
Guys, Lev was born in Lev.
Okay. Left Cameron height. What's your left Cameron height?
1.7.
I don't know what that is.
Got nothing close up.
What is Lev Cameron's net worth? 2021. Actually, let's do this first. Let's see. 100. Oh, it's not. Guys, you heard it here. My net worth is 1,000,000. You know what?
You know what?